Yo, Wagwan, me people. It's your guy, Ode, the Jamaican sensation, UFC flyweight, Osborne. And finally, I have a guest that's not going to ask me what Wagwan means. Because every time I have a guest, even though I say it in my show, Wagwan means what's going on. Mm-hmm. I tell people, Wagwan is what's up. Yeah. And every guest asks me, what does Wagwan mean? So finally now we have a guest that's not going to ask me what Wagwan means. So with that being said, we're going to introduce somebody that I met here in Las Vegas. He's a Jamaican musician, very popular, rising star, up and coming. Dizzle JA, give it up.
In the building, Wagwan.
Wagwan, Dizzle, how you been, man?
Man, I'm just chilling, bro, working and putting in that work, you understand me? Try to put this music business on a bigger platform.
Yeah.
Just, coming from Jamaica and being out here in Vegas, traveling the US and stuff like that. So I'm just here to put it to work, bro.
Yeah, I already know. And walk me through some of the places that you've been since you've been here in this country that you've been performing in.
Performance, couple months ago, like maybe 2 months ago, we just did the West Side. So we did Arizona, definitely Las Vegas, LA.
Mm-hmm.
We go out there to Sacramento. Mm-hmm. We did Utah. So we did like 6 different states, but some of the states I don't remember and stuff like that. But we definitely been on the road.
That's a good sign. When you can't remember the states you've been in, that's how you know you've been busy.
Yeah, we've been moving.
Yeah, tell me about your LP. Your LP just dropped, what, last week?
Yeah, last week, definitely getting a lot of reaction so far, you understand me, and platforms like Audio Mac. Audio Mac is a platform that a lot of folks are not familiar with, but in Jamaica, in Africa, in the Caribbean, and Europe and stuff like that, they use that platform.
They use the platform,
That platform is
kind of like SoundCloud a little bit.
Something like SoundCloud. It's the new SoundCloud. So I'm big on Audio Mac. Anything I drop, I go number one.
Chase, you ever heard of Audio Mac? Chase is a musician too. He sings.
Chase a musician.
Great
Chase.
Man.
Yes,
Chase,
sir.
Chase has
you heard about Audio Mac, Chase?
I have no idea what Audio Mac is.
Okay, cool.
Chase is opera. He does like opera. He's got a great opera voice.
Maybe we could do something.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, Chase has a great. He actually performing. Chase is performing tomorrow.
Straight up.
I'm gonna come out to your show, Chase.
All right, word up.
Yeah, support. We gotta support.
Yeah, for sure. Especially all the. I was just gonna say that all the musicians in Las Vegas.
We in this together.
Yeah,
we in this together. No segregation. No music.
Yes, and that's why I love about my favorite quality about Las Vegas is that there's people from everywhere. Like you go to Florida, the Floridians are like, no, we have our own culture. We got our own thing. You go to New York, they're stingy with you go to LA, they're stingy.
Yeah.
Vegas is like a network.
Open.
It's open. Everybody's open for, to network and help each other grow. And that's one of the things I love about being here in Las Vegas.
Definitely. So as I was saying, like Audio Mac, like iTunes and stuff like that, we the charts and stuff. So we're doing good so far.
That's good, man. That's good. And one of my favorite song of yours is Bashment Girl.
That's on the EP.
That's on the EP.
Yeah.
Chase, you want to play for the fans?
Yeah, I'll play a little
tune.
bit.
Play the big tune for the fans, them.
Get into it, though.
Big up, Bashment Gal.
All the Bashment girls.
One more time. One more time. Feeling is majestic. Get your shit that body for me, girl. One more time. One more time. Yard man no do the coffin. The way the girl ya cheer fi be me sighting. The way she shake it to me, I fi show me a friend. She just a dash it and a flip it like a dolphin. Oh gosh. Big body girl inna the short thing. Hey my girl, are you me talking? You know me want you. I this is a attract, you know say you want him. Watch a girl. Hey girl, you a bashment. Can you want your body?
Yo, boop. All right, Chase. Thank you, man. Yo. If y'all have not checked out that song, it's called Bashment Girl.
Yes.
And if you want to explain to the fans a little bit, because fans always ask me, they be like,
They want to know.
They want to know patois. So can you explain to the fans what Bashment Girl means?
Well, Bashment Girl coming up as a kid, as a juvenile in Jamaica, you understand me? We always hear about the Bashment Girl. And if you check back the movie Dancehall Queen, it's all about the fashion and stuff like that.
Hot
Bashment girl is a hot girl.
Yeah.
You dig what I'm saying? Yeah.
Like a Kim Kardashian or someone who dressed really, really nice with fashion.
Fashion, but at the end of the day, they got some education, they all about their business and independent at the same time. So That's my Bashment ladies for you. I love them.
Bashment girl,
Yeah,
man.
Worldwide, man.
Yeah, and
All of them.
All of them, man. That's
All
what's
of
up.
them.
Big up. Boop, 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 boop.
Every girl.
And speaking of Jamaican culture, you said before we started the show that you were going down there for a tour.
Yeah, a promo run. You dig what I'm saying? The new EP just dropped. You know, like we've been back and forth down there shooting visuals and stuff like that, but we're not in the streets like we normally did. Like last year, we was in the streets everywhere. You understand me? Any Vibes went top 10 in Jamaica, so they know me for coming down and being in the streets and stuff like that. So now we're gonna be in the street, touching the people everywhere with the music bouncing out to them. You know, we do it in Jamaica in the streets.
I have to link you. My mother have she has a couple business down there. She live in Mandeville. I don't know if you
Mandeville. Okay, we're doing stuff in Mandeville. We're setting up a studio in Mandeville.
Okay,
right now,
you have to check out her restaurant called the Hungry Gator. You know, she'll hook you up when you go down there.
Let's do it.
But yeah, I'm gonna set you up with my mom. She's cool, good people down there, man. She's known as Queen.
Queen,
yeah.
Once your name Queen, you run the place. Once your name is Queen, you run the entire place. You're good. You're gonna be good.
Yeah, our mama, they call her. Yeah, she got it going on down there. My mom she's doing the big things down there. But you know, I heard. I was talking to you earlier. A lot of the land is being bought by China. What's going on with that? The properties, a lot of the property, the hotels on the side of the road, by the tourist attractions being bought by China. Is that a true thing or?
Well, saying it's true, but Jamaica been like that.
Yeah.
Jamaica is a diverse country with a lot of different race and stuff like that. So the Chinese been in Jamaica from the jump from I was a kid. You know?
Yeah, same when I was a kid.
When you was a kid, you go to the Chinese store.
The Chinaman.
And you dig what I'm saying? But I'm gonna touch a topic after that. So I'm gonna say this: like Jamaica is there for us, like me and you and all of us that's trying to make it. Yeah. Build a bigger platform. You know, link up with some of our homeboys and our friends and business partners to come and invest in Jamaica, because Jamaica is one of those places you can go and invest and become whatever you want to become. So yes, the Chinese, they got money, so they go invest.
Because all the hotels, they invest heavy in those.
They put up the money. And see, back in, you know, like Europe been had a lot of hotels in Jamaica from the jump. They invest in Jamaica a long time. You dig what I'm saying? Yeah. So for people to be saying, oh, the Chinese gonna take over Jamaica, they've been there from the jump, bro. Yeah. You understand me? Yeah. Everybody been there. White people been there. Asian people been there. Black people from Africa. Everybody's in Jamaica living.
Indian.
Yeah. People from Israel running business, selling jewels and stuff like that. Everybody been in Jamaica from the jump.
Melting pot.
So it's not nothing to be worried about saying they're going to buy up everything, because for me right now, I'm buying a lot of land. Yeah.
And you're into property or what?
I'm building these facilities. I'm building stuff for like hotels and stuff, like not really hotels like for Airbnb, because we ain't really reached the hotel vibe. So yeah, me and my homeboys, we just bought up a couple lands down there in St. Thomas. Like, you know, St. Thomas is gonna be the new tourist resort place in Jamaica. So that's where I'm from. So I can't leave everybody to be saying, oh, the Chinese coming to Jamaica to buy this and buy that. Whatever I've acquired in Jamaica already, I'm building on top of it. So
what's a piece of land going for right now? What's the average going rate for like a piece of land?
We spend like 10,000 there. We spend 8 there. Cause see, what you got to realize about Jamaica is like you got folks with a lot of lands, older people. Yeah. Kids come to America. Kids go to England. They don't want it no more. Yeah. They trying to sell it. Yeah. Most folks, they migrate and they're trying to sell it. So sometimes you can come up on deals, you know. If you go on YouTube or Google, you see a lot of realtors and they're selling stuff. So you got expensive shit. Yeah. Excuse my language. I don't know.
No, you can cuss on here. Yeah, you can cuss on here.
You got expensive stuff, and you got some stuff that you could make some deals between somebody that you know and you plugged up. Make sure you know someone in Jamaica, and definitely you could acquire some land down there too.
Yeah, because I was thinking about that, you know, for myself, just getting Airbnb going, you know, because that's the thing. That's the thing that is big right now, especially when you know, my mom lives in Mandeville. Mandeville is a huge tourist place.
Mandeville is like where the folks with the money is living. Like, it's all mansions in Mandeville.
Yeah, so I was thinking about getting an Airbnb out there.
Definitely,
you know, and you know, get a partner or something where we can go and clean and you know, do it big, because man, it's nice I want to be able to have a place where I can go back to. Yes. You know, my kids, I can show kids.
Show them where they're coming from.
This is where I came from, and this is what I did to get here. And now you see where I came from. Appreciate what you have.
Yes, definitely.
You know what I'm saying? Because, man, one thing I will say, people don't know how hard it is in Jamaica right now. Yeah. You know, it's very hard. It's very hard.
It is. And you know, like, I would say it's hard everywhere right now. But in Jamaica, you know, like, the opportunities are not there. Like, you dig what I'm saying? For me and you to be over here, you are a U.S. fighter, you're doing good. I got to big you up, you see me I say? Yeah. Like, you my brother like that. And I got to give you all the encouragement and all the support I can. As a Jamaican, seeing a Jamaican doing it, I'll be like, okay, cool. We going to support him 100%, because, like, we don't have UFC in Jamaica. Yeah. So a kid coming up that have talent like that, he ain't going to be able to make it in that in that part.
No, it's true. It's true.
Yeah, so
because certain things take money. You know, you have to get the equipment, the boxing gloves, the shin pads, the mouthpiece that you have to mold and put into your mouth, and you have to go to the doctor to get the special. They don't have none of that.
So what I would say to you right now on this platform, like, link up with your people and
trust me,
if they put a little location down there in Jamaica and they already train some fighters.
There's one down there. There's a guy named Gold Lion. He run a gym. Gold Lion. He run a
big
small
up Lion.
Yeah, big up Gold Lion one time. He run a small little gym down there, you know, and when I go down there, I'm definitely gonna link him for sure. 100% gonna be linking him.
Endorse him.
Yeah, because you know, we have to endorse our people in Jamaica, stuff like that, because Jamaica is such a small country. But if you go anywhere in the world, there's Jamaicans everywhere.
Yeah, good
the
people.
Jamaicans are everywhere. Jamaicans in Israel. Yeah. Jamaicans in China.
Israel.
Jamaicans.
Israel is one of my biggest. When I check my streams and stuff like that, man.
Yo, for real.
And my heart goes out to the
Israelis, man. My heart goes out to them.
Right now. You dig what I'm saying? Much love from Dizzle JA to the entire Israel.
Yes, man. I have you know, my Israeli brothers out there, man. Shout out to them. You know, Moshik, Eli, Ellie, blessings, you know, Orshli, Natan Levy. Shout out to all of you guys, man, all your families and stuff. I said that before, man. You know, blessings. And I don't get into the politics of it, because there's really no sides that is right.
Yeah, you know, because we Jamaicans, bro, and what they got to realize about us is like, politics is not our thing. It's all about love
and peace and happiness.
And unity,
Yes, I just want everybody to be safe. You know what I'm saying? I don't care about who is right, who is this, and who is that. I just, you know, I want everybody to be safe on both sides.
Yeah, just cut
on
it
both
out.
sides. Cut it out, man. We don't need this. This needs to be done with. You know, we've been. You know, Damian Marley said we fighting a war without no basis. Yeah. You know, and it's unfortunate, and but that's just the way the world is. It's never gonna change until we die. That's unfortunately the end result. Until, you know, God says that's enough now. You know, but until then, we gotta keep spreading that Jamaican love around, man. You know, keep spreading that Jamaican love.
Blessings everywhere, man.
Yeah, and that's the biggest thing. That's the biggest thing.
Yeah, man.
How long have you been in the States now?
How long? I think like back and forth like 9 years, but the past like I think 2020 is when I really start getting settled and be like, okay, cool. Okay. You dig? But I'll be dibbling and jumping in and jumping out, because, you know, we don't really want to live here as a musician and stuff like that. But you know, I put my thing together and I'll be like, okay, cool. If I'm gonna be really touching bass and I'm broadening this platform, I gotta be, you know, based over there. So I've been over here like, I would say like maybe close to 5 years now, like just locking in, and going back and just coming back quick.
And did you start music when you're in Jamaica, or you started music when you're here?
No.
What inspired your music career?
Music was in me from a long time, a long time ago growing up, you know, like You dig, like my grandfather used to play drums with Bob Marley.
Yeah.
So he played the kete drum.
Okay, yes.
So you dig what I'm saying? So he's a Rastafari Orthodox.
Oh man.
So he been with the
yeah.
movement from the jump of the whole Rastafarian thing. If like he got a lot of notes and everything could inspire a lot of folks from there. He's just chilling right now. So big up to Prince Brown right now. So he got that in him. I heard my mom used to sing at church and I don't know about that and stuff like that. But as a kid growing up, like, I just hear music. Once I hear music, it just in me. So I start dance. Michael Jackson get 50 Cent here and there. And I love fashion from I was a baby.
Yeah.
Once they put clothes on me, I start flexing it how I want to flex it and stuff like that. Not a rude kid, but just, So it been in me and stuff like that. And then creativity. I got, going to school. We started a little group. We singing. Yeah. We're not singing, so we're going to take it for a career because we go in high school and we was paying attention to like our schoolwork and stuff like Education. That. But I just know this, like I'm writing music and, watching BT and stuff like that, listening hip hop and stuff like that. Yeah. Leaving school, start working and stuff like that. I could never get out of it, bro. Like I keep writing in, I'll be like, no, I got to stop this. And then I just be like, okay, let me pay attention and just deal with my career. So my career really coming to America is really where I say, okay, cool, I'm going to press. You dig? Yeah. I was down there in Jamaica doing promotion, writing music for guys, big major guys too, in the studio with big major cats. Wow. As a baby, juvenile, young kid, maybe like in my early like teens, like 13, I saw DJ Khaled come to the studio and stuff. So I was in Waterhouse, like leaving school, going down there, watching these guys doing it. Wow, so you really I saw it with my two eyes. Like I was there when Bunty them do dub plates and leaving the studio with a bag of money, and just come outside the studio and just start giving us as kids and people there giving money. Like I saw that. So I saw all the cars. I saw everything, bro. So I'd be like, so now you don't really get impressed by nothing because you're used to it. You know what I mean? No, I'm see, and that's the thing. Like a lot of time I go out and I doze off, like not dozing off, like sleeping. Yeah, but I know you mean nothing. Like I just chill. They be like, okay, cool. I'm like this because I seen it all, bro. From Jamaica, they was coming and I see them. Yeah, and people don't really know how many people go down to Jamaica and make music. Everybody goes down to Jamaica and sample a little bit. Gwen Stefani, Jay-Z, and all of them, everybody, bro. I was there, bro, when Jay-Z buy all those cars and bikes for Jacure when he did the remix. The Bum Bum? Was it the Bum Bum? No, it was I'm on the Rock. I'm on the Rock, yeah. You dig when I'm so special time. I'm so special, so special. I see when Jay-Z invest in those dudes, like I see everything. I went over there to the studio, you got to scheme your way in. Yeah. I go to the door, I'm like, what is this? I see Range Rover bikes, everything. Like I see niggas flexing, bro. I'm like, wow. So I seeing it. You seeing it. And my homeboy, big up to Jam too, is that is King Jammys. Okay. You know King Jammys, the biggest producer in Jamaica. We put Jamaica on put Jamaica on the map for Bunty Killer, Shabaranks, all of them guys. Like Jam 2 was my brethren. Yeah. So we be sitting in the studio and watching everything. I see, you know who I see making a slow comeback, but like a Capleton. I see Capleton making like he almost slow. He disappeared for a while. He never disappeared. I felt like he disappeared from us here in America. Yeah, that's true. You got to remember that politics right there. Yeah, that's true. You did, that's true. But Capleton and them, their shows are 60,000 folks every day. Capleton been jumping late. I'm like, what? He been jumping from I was a baby. Yeah, and the energy still there. Yeah, because Capleton for me, it was like 2001, 2, 3, 4, 90, 99, 98, 97, 96, and then I stopped hearing from him from like 2007-ish. Okay, like, cool. So you was here, right? And check this out. See, you got to understand, like the Rastafari movement was so big when Capleton, Sizzla and all of them was touching the American scene and stuff like that. But see, like what they bring to the table is righteousness and justice and certain things like that. Peace and stuff like that. And that is like Bob Marley time when he was fighting with the government and everything. So, all of these words that been spoken can be a threat. So those guys been cut off from here for a long time. Capleton just got back his visa a couple months ago. Really? So that's why you're seeing him. That's why. Because he just did Boston and places like that. You dig what I'm saying? So they just start coming back. Beanie Man ain't got a visa.
Yeah,
Sim Simma, who got the keys to the Bima,
yeah.
he was on one of the biggest festivals in Miami.
Yeah.
He couldn't do it because he ain't got no visa.
Yeah.
So what you got to realize, I don't want to cut you off, what you got to realize is that for me coming here, basing here, it was a tragedy for me to do that because going back and forth, I could get booked for a show, plan to come to the show and get denied for no reason whatsoever. Going for the visa.
Yeah.
See, now I got a green card and I'm actually doing my citizenship and stuff like that. So see, you know, I'm good to go back and forth because right now I'm American, I'm a resident here.
Yeah.
You dig what I'm saying?
I dig, man. That's
so
what's up.
for all those other guys, they from Jamaica, like Jamaica just come with a politics. They could just be like, okay, cool. Well, hey, you got to sit it out 3, 4, 5 years before you get a visa. You go back every day, they deny you.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
It's always been like that too.
So yeah, for all my brethren them watching this from Jamaica, get you a girl, bro. Get married.
Yeah. Man, you trying to get me canceled. You might have to cut that part.
I know, I just joined in there.
Oh man, you funny,
I just joined in there, just, you know, I'm like that sometimes.
But yeah, man,
Yeah.
it's you know, the vibes is good. I'm thank you so much for coming on the show. If you got anybody you want to shout out, anybody you want to plug, now is the time to do it. So I'm gonna give you the stage one last time to you know, say anything you want to say, plug anybody you want to plug, shout out, thanks, whatever.
Well, big up for the opportunity, my brother. You don't know.
Appreciate you.
Every time you dig, I got to shout out to my entire La Fam Entertainment team. Big up to Ermac One Danny. He be making the beats and stuff like that. He's in Jamaica. So every music that I do, got to go back to Jamaica before it come back. Even if I record it here, they got to mix and master it there. Because that was a problem for me. Being here for a minute before I find the formula. All the songs and the sound that you hear right now, it took me forever to get to that section.
Yeah.
Because all the music was doing with hip-hop type of producers.
What inspired those sounds?
The sounds is like tapping into my Jamaican frequency, keeping focus, going back home all the time, not getting sidetracked of whatever is going on in the world and around me and stuff like that. You know, I got a lot of
politics and stuff like
politics
that.
and hip-hop flavor and stuff. I got to just keep myself in a little box, even though most of the homies that I roll with doing hip-hop and stuff in the studio, every time they say, oh, give me a feature or whatever, it's hip-hop beat, I still got to tap into my roots, reggae, dancehall. So you dig what I'm saying? So that's how I keep it to the core, to be authentic with the sound.
Good. That's very good, man.
So all the beats is coming from back home. Everything, the sound mixed down there and everything.
Oh man, yo, y'all better check out my man. If you haven't yet checked out this man's page, go on YouTube, go on Instagram, and check this man out. His stuff is cold.
100%
cold. Check my man out, Dizzle JA.
Hey, look, but check this out now. Like, this is another thing like that I'll be going through with the music and stuff like that. I've been through so much stuff. It's like the music, I was putting out good music and everything like that. But bro, I just start talking my story. Like
that's good.
I'm always trying to say how I'm gonna put this thing in words and stuff like that, and know like the emotions and the stuff like that I've been through, coming here and stuff like that, and stuff that I've been through in Jamaica start coming out in the music in the purest form, bro. And I'm so excited. Like whatever I did before and all those music, like they ain't hear nothing yet, bro.
Yeah.
You dig what I'm saying?
I'm ready.
Frequency high, bro.
I'm ready. Well, thank you so much, man. I appreciate you coming on the show. Big up yourself.
Every time, bro.
Everybody upon our yard. All the man them, all the yard man them, big up yourself.
Yeah.
The bashment gal them, big up yourself.
Yeah.
You know, the queens done, big up yourself.
Yeah, big up to the whole entire team, as I said before. Everybody that I collaborate with, everybody that I'm working with, and everybody that want to work, I'm open, but trust me, I cannot work with folks that ain't got no working ability, ain't got no grind. So if you ain't got no grind, please don't shout out. But if you ready to do this, bro, and do this music, link up, because I'm going to give you my 100. You dig?
Blessings. Thank you so much for coming on the show, guys. That's all for another amazing episode.